So let's talk about it. How can we stop procrastinating and get a better night's sleep? Is your me time always past your bedtime? Well, the problem may be deeper than you might think. Many people come to therapy because they're experiencing sleep problems. And that's because a good night's sleep is important for our physical and mental health. Yet millions of people struggle to get enough shut-eye. And according to the National Institutes of Health, 50 to 70 million adults in the US have some form of a sleep disorder. So if you relate to this, you might be suffering from what is called bedtime procrastination. Bedtime procrastination is the tendency to stay up later than intended in spite of the negative consequences of doing so. Bedtime procrastination can be significant. It can lead to sleep deprivation, which can have a number of negative aspects on your physical and mental health, as well as making you more argumentative, causing conflict with you and your partner, your boss, or others in your life, because sleep controls every aspect of our health. So in this video, we'll be talking about 3 questions to ask yourself to identify the root cause of your bedtime procrastination. Question number 1 you should be asking yourself is, are you prone to procrastination in general? Procrastination is a common habit among those who are unable to self-regulate. Look for giveaways that you're a procrastinator, and some examples of this might include putting off paying your bills until the last minute in spite of having the money, constantly flaking on your friends because you'll meet them tomorrow, always being behind at work but finding yourself idly scrolling through social media when you know you should be working. If you answer yes to any of those, a lack of self-regulation is at the core of your behavior. Improve your ability to self-regulate by focusing on the positives, life changes you would experience if you stopped procrastinating. You would get more done, be more relaxed, and feel less anxious overall. And as a cherry on the cake, you would sleep more because you have less catching up to do at night. Question number 2, are you a naturally anxious person? Anxious people, not surprisingly, are more likely to have sleep problems compared to healthy individuals, and sleep procrastination has shown to play a role in causing sleep problems in those who suffer from anxiety. Working through your anxiety with the guidance of a therapist could do wonders to improve your sleep and, in effect, your overall quality of life. Remember, anxiety and sleep problems are often a vicious cycle and can be extremely destructive. It is important that you address the root of your bedtime procrastination by alleviating your anxiety. The third and last question you should ask yourself is if you're physically exhausted, because studies have found that too much exercise or physical exertion during the day could lead to hyperarousal, which is a state of heightened responsiveness. This was found to increase insomnia symptoms in individuals. So this makes it especially hard for people to fall asleep. And if you are someone who is physically exhausted at the end of the day, this could explain why your proclivity for bedtime procrastination exists. So while exercise is a crucial aspect of healthy living, keep an eye out for what your body is telling you. Examples include having aches and pains that don't seem to go away on their own, experiencing inexplicable changes of appetite or drops in your exercise performance, and understand that a high physical load is not only brought about by overexercise. If you have a job or a hobby that demands manual labor, you could potentially bring on a state of hyperarousal as well. Anytime you exert yourself physically, watch your energy levels throughout the day. Take the necessary steps to stop exhausting yourself before bedtime. This will help you fall asleep easier, and to end things off, bedtime procrastination is a real phenomenon that can have negative consequences on our health and on our relationships. If you find yourself engaging in this behavior, try to identify the root cause and to make changes accordingly. With a little effort, you can overcome it and get the rest you desperately need. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's content helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to receive updates when a new video is posted, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.